If you've made a purchase from Epic Games and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the correct account that made the purchase. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, locate the support or help section on the website. This is typically found at the bottom of the homepage or in the account settings menu. Step 3. Find the refund request form. In the support section, look for the option related to refunds. Click on it to access the refund request form. Review the eligibility criteria to ensure your purchase qualifies for a refund. Step 4. Fill out the refund request form. Complete the refund request form with the necessary details, including your purchase information and the reason for the refund. Be clear and concise to help expedite the process. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the form, review your information for accuracy and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your refund request shortly after submission. Once you've submitted your refund request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Epic Games regarding the status of your request.